Masandawana kabuyelo thina sele makhosi sifuna uku-apologize officially into eyenzile i-goalkeeper thina uBrendan Petersen. uBrendan Petersen bakhona masibatshela ukuthi bafethu today sidlala eLoftus namasandawana bayakelele bathathele into le hayi nabukhosi sibatshelile masandawana sathi i3 points yalona saleyekela hayi nabukhosi inkinga bafethu ukunika is a problem bafethu ukunika ahamba ka half time mabangena epassagini lapha ethaneleni ahamba tshela Brendan Petersen ukuthi ucoach la bafana ukhona uHugo Boss ukhona lapha ay amosha sento ukunika amosha sento amotshela into enasathwana ukuthi ayizwe amtshela athi Petersen wena wenza ucoach ukhona but ucoach wabafana warukhona la are ukhona are ya. That's when he started to do all those saves. So sifuna uku-apologize ukuthi sizwane ukuthi 3 points la ithatha inkinga izindaba zifikile ezindlebeni zaPetersen ukuthi ucoach akwazi ukuthi ugoalkeeper wathina number 1 goalkeeper yamzansi Brendan Petersen qualifies to be bafana goalkeeper lapha e-USA lapha e-World Cup. So afuna ukubabonisa ukuthi yena what is he capable of. So saxolisa today ukuthi ulibonisile ukuthi he's number 1. So besithi thina saxolisa asekamkhosezwane enkatini inkinga kunika umtshelile ezintaba ukuthi ucoach bafana ukhona estadium eLoftus aqala enza izinto zakhe sakusipa amabhola amanzima kakhulu. So saxolisa besithi saxolisa officially masandawana next time izozomtshela kahle iwarning uzoyithola Petersen nalo umtshelile izindaba ukuthi masithi sabanikeza yekena kwenza ama-show off man Petersen mana nala yithi ukuthi is number 1 akere la kwazi uPetersen number 1 emzansi la kwazi lelo sabonga masandawana kabuyelo thatha nalento la nabukhosi thank you.